son really tells his father how he really feels. A handshake or a pat on the back is all that he reveals. I'd like to right that wrong here in this little song. Thank you for shaping my life. Thank you for teaching me all you can. You are no ordinary man. No, no, no. You make me everything I am.
Matagal po siyang nagserbisyo, dapat na nagserbisyo sa ABSECOM, from Philippine Air Force to PNP, matagal po siyang nagserbisyo. Kaya inahangan po natin siya sa kanyang kabaitan hanggang sa siya ay pumanaw. Kasamahang Police Captain Delpin Espartero, I'm now rendering my snappy salute to you. Paalam.
Masabi ko lang si Espartero, siya cool na tao.
Naniniwala ako at alam ko sa pamilya po, malaki po ang bahagi ng buhay ni Sir Delpin. At sigurado ako ang natala sa ating mga puso at isipan ang kanyang pagiging mabuti at responsableng tao. Mawala man ang pisikal na mukha, pisikal na anyo ni Delpin, ni Sir Delpin, sigurado ako yung magagandang alaala na nagawa niya sa buhay natin ay hindi natin makakalimutan. Huwag nating kalilimutan. Huwag lang sana tayong may maitalang magagandang bagay na maaalaala ng ating kapwa-tao. Dapat may nagawa din tayong maalaala ng Diyos. Kung tayo ay gumawa ng mga bagay na karapat-dapat ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos at naalala ng Diyos ang ating mabubuting gawa, tayo ay kanyang alalahanin at patutuloyin sa kanyang tahanan.
Three feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like Daddy, why is the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be strong and strong and brave? There is no power on earth like your Father's love.
Ang buong pulisan po ay nakikiramay po sa inyo.
As your Father's love, a promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. Did I hug enough? Did I care enough when you most needed me? Was I there enough? Enough to make you feel the power your Father